Hi guys, my name is Pavel. I live in Moscow and I want to improve my English because I love to meet new people, and there are a lot of people in different countries who speak in English, so I want to be able to connect with them, and I believe that everyone can connect with everyone, and this is like very great opportunity to make great things like companies, startups, create new ideas when people can communicate with other people, and English is the best way to do this. And also, as like first step, I wanted to go to Berkeley in September and to start study entrepreneurship there. But mostly I want to go there because of visa, but to study something interesting is also great.